Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery Budgie. My name is Miss Callie Cat. She's knocked that over twice now. She's made the neighbor's dogs bark. Oh my goodness. Maybe we should shut that window. Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery Budgie. My name is Gina and this is Miss Callie Cat, who is causing troubles this morning. Yes, you are. Oh, don't shake your head no at me. You know you are. She's knocked the sign over a few times. I actually had it on film and I was like, I just need to start over. Y'all, you know, I did a haul not too long ago and I told you I was going to size down on the one of the shirts. I think it was actually an Amazon personal shopper. And so I've gotten the shirt in today. So I thought I would go ahead, open it up for you and show you the size down on the shirt. Now this bag is resealable in case I want to send it back. And they do give you a return label. The shirt is the Daily Ritual Women's Scoop Neck Wide Rib Tank Top in clay, size large, $18.50. I will do like a side by side so you can see the bigger size on me and the smaller size. This is a large. They sent me an extra large last time. I thought, well, I'm going to try it and see. But it is so very soft. I do like the wide ribbed look. I wasn't sure about the color, but it kind of grew on me. And I did send the kimono back that was with it, but it did match very well. I must have been in a mood. This is clay, but this is peach, but they're, you know, in the same line. So there is that top. I'll read the instructions and all that to you as well. It's 91 viscose, non-elastine. Oh, it's a book, y'all. It's a book. Machine wash colored with light colors, gentle cycle, non-chlorine bleach when needed, tumble dry low, pull iron if needed, do not dry clean. Okay, so I'll try this on. This will just be a cute little short update video. I hope y'all like it. Don't forget to press all those buttons down below. I'll see you back in a second with what I'm wearing today and this shirt. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this top I got from Torrid. The jeans are travel jeans. And the top I got from Stix. I think it's a Luxe. This came from Box. This came from Transcend by Eve. And those are from Box as well. It's John's clothes. Alright, so here is the size down top. I actually do think it fits a lot better than the other one. I will do a side by side so that we can see the difference in the large and the extra large. Of course, this one is going to show, if I had a muffin, it would show it. But it is cute. You definitely see my pants sticking through. But I like it better than the other one. What do y'all think? All right, I am back and yeah, I'm gonna keep this shirt. You know, I think it was nice. It's comfy. It, you know, it's a little tighter, but the other one just seems so much bigger. What's inside out? I'm gonna have to look at the side by side once I get this edited, but I'm probably just gonna go ahead and keep it because it'll be great under everything or wearing around the house. I like it. I like it a lot. So what do y'all think? Do you think I'm making the right decision? Do you like it this size? Did you like it the other size? I want to hear everything below. Y'all, thank you so very much for spending time with me today. I hope the rest of your day is wonderful and God bless.